Charles Osborne hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, starting in 1922. Imagine having hiccups for your entire life. The man experienced this daily ordeal until 1990. The hiccups began unexpectedly while he was attempting to weigh a hog before slaughter. Despite trying countless remedies, nothing seemed to work, and doctors couldn't pinpoint the exact cause. Remarkably, Osborne managed to adapt, even continuing his work as a farmer and living a relatively normal life. His resilience turned an unimaginable challenge into a testament of human endurance.